what I wanted to show you today is how to do a little bit of a patch if you got a little bit of a crack. Let's say right here. I'll bring this camera up a little closer so you can see what I'm going to be doing here. First off, what I like to do is take a piece of the wood, the same piece of wood that I use for these edges, which is black walnut, dark walnut. I take a file and I go near where I want to patch it, and I just do some shavings. I've already done some so you can see it through the mentioned video. It's already done. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the Zelmer's clear glue. I want it clear because I don't want it to affect the color of the brown. And the reason I do it with a file instead of sandpaper, here's the reason. A lot of people don't understand this. With the sand on the sandpaper, it's got an adhesive that holds it to the paper. That adhesive and the bits and pieces of this sand, you call it, whatever particle, whatever material that is, that's got a color as well. So if you're using this to sand off a piece of the dark walnut, some of the color from this is going to come off as well. Same thing with any other sandpaper. So what I do is I use a little X-Acto knife or something similar, and I clear out the little area to make sure it's nice and clean down inside. So I got a place for the sawdust to go. Mix a little bit of this with some of the clear down inside there, and then I take my fingers and I'm going to push it over, get it stuck in there, and try to get it where it's just slightly proud. Okay, so hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Got this little bit of a gap here. It's okay on the front, but on the top I got that little bit of a gap there, and that's what I want to fill in. So I'm going to take this glue. So I'm going to put just a little bit. Hopefully you can see where that's going in. I'm going to take my X-Acto knife. I don't want to get so much of this glue on my finger, but I'm going to take some of this, push it across there ever so carefully so that it fills in that area. I'll pat it down some. So need a lot on the side, but I want to tamp it in pretty good so it fills in that crack really well. And I think that's probably good enough. So now I'm just going to let that dry for about an hour or so, and then I'll sand it down slightly and you'll see how that comes out nice. Okay, well, it's been about an hour. Let's see how this works. This old piece of sandpaper. It looks a little bit better than having the hole there. By the time I put the finish on that, that'll probably disappear pretty good.
Well, I hope you found this very helpful. I thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you the next time. Have a great day.